A fire broke out at the laundromat near our apartment complex. A few days later, an apology was posted on the apartment bulletin board, along with a request for residents to report the number of clothes they had left for cleaning. Someone wrote on one of the circulated notices, "Sir, I had only one suit, but I won't ask for compensation. How will you handle all those clothes? Please be strong." That one sentence led all the residents of the apartment complex to decide not to seek any compensation. Soon after, someone anonymously delivered a small token of financial support, and others offered their help as well. A thank you note was soon posted on the apartment bulletin board. "Dear residents, thank you. The laundromat was my hard-earned living from the money I made in the Vietnam War, and I lost everything in an instant. But your warm love has given me hope for life, and I can stand up again. I will definitely repay your kindness. One drop of water becomes a waterfall, and one person's strength can change the world. It takes many people's strength to move the world, but what is needed to move many people is ultimately the strength of one person. That one person, I hope that person is you and me."